Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cookies. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature, which is crucial for a smooth dough. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's ready when your dough is mixed. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the baking process much more enjoyable and efficient. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in your vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined to avoid overworking the dough. It's time to prepare your cookies for the oven. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto your prepared baking sheets. Make sure to space them about 2 inches apart, giving them room to spread without merging. Bake them in your preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Keep a close eye on them to prevent overbaking. Once baked, let your delicious cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For optimal freshness, store your cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.